Hello. We arrived in Xilinhot from Xilinhot by train, which took almost 10 hours. We headed toward the hotel, and I made a booking using the Trip.com app. As a non-Chinese speaker, the pronunciation of this hotel name is quite challenging. Let me try saying Yuguang Manbu. The lobby dazzles with floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light. White marble floors reflect the glow, amplifying the airy ambience, while minimalist furnishings add warmth and sophistication. They allowed us 5 hours early check-in without any extra charges. The journey to the room feels like a breath of fresh air. The true gem of this hotel lies in its thoughtfully designed rooms. Sleek wooden flooring replaces traditional carpeting. The bed dominates the room like a promise of perfect rest. What catches the eye, though, is the meticulously folded blanket. The high-speed Wi-Fi, welcome tea awaits on the desk, paired with 2 bottles of mineral water. This isn't just a room, it's a living, breathing entity powered by artificial intelligence. From the moment you enter, sensors detect your presence, gently adjusting the mood lighting to your preference. From window curtains up to room services are controlled by autonomous delivery robots. No rummaging required. Every essential is precisely where you'd hope to find it. A dedicated drawer beside the backlit vanity mirror reveals a neatly arranged toothbrush, a premium shaving razor, and cotton swabs, all sealed in biodegradable packaging. The LED backlit mirror itself is a marvel, casting flawless, shadow-free light for grooming, while a high-power hairdryer cords pre-tangle for instant use. The bathroom's frosted glass partition masterfully balances privacy and practicality. By separating the shower area from the toilet, it creates distinct zones that prioritize cleanliness. It would be unfair not to mention what truly sets this hotel apart. Their complimentary Mongolian tea and snack service is available daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m.